Today we're going to go over battery replacement. This will apply to 986 Boxster as well as 996 911. The battery sits in the cowl under this central access panel right here. That's held to the rest of the windshield cowl with these two quarter lock turn fasteners. Removing the panel, we'll come over to this fastener here, turn until the tension's released. Same for this side. Now we can lift this whole panel up and out, exposing the battery. We're going to start by removing the terminals on the battery before the one hold down bracket here to lift the battery out. We always recommend removing the negative terminal first. So we'll come in here with a 10 millimeter. Loosen the nut. This should pop right off. Set this to the side. Same thing over here for the positive, just a 10 millimeter. So that's loosened, this should come off as well. Make sure not to touch this to anything. You want to come over here to this vent hose and just pull this out of the battery. When you're installing a new battery, make sure this gets reconnected because this allows the battery to properly off gas and gives it a place for those fumes to go. Now that all the connections are undone, the last thing we need to do to remove the battery is remove this 13 millimeter bolt that secures the hold down bracket. With the hold down bracket removed, the opposite side of the battery is secured by just a bracket on the body of the car. So you'll need to slide it towards the passenger side before you can lift it out. Now that the hold down bracket's removed and the battery slid over to clear the edge of the battery, we can lift it straight out. That's how you access and remove the battery on a 986 Boxster or 996 911. If you like more videos like this, check out our tech article section over at pelicanparts.com.